Hi guys, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Another video today. I hope everybody's doing good. Okay, here's my painting from my last video. Hope you can see it well enough. If you watched the whole video and the little clip that was on the end of the video, then you'll know that I did some fixes at the end because I didn't like the way that it turned out. So I redid a little bit of it and it turned out much better. So I hope you can see it all right. Okay, there we go. Now on with the next. I'm working on a 10 by 10 canvas and I'm going to be doing with another funnel, a funnel pour. Just gonna put it right here in the middle and put the colors in and then lift it up and down like this and have the colors come out. Hope this one turns out better than the other one. So here we go. Try not to use too much paint like I did on the other one. And all the colors that I use will be in the description box below the video. I don't know if I told you, this is a 10 by 10 canvas. Hope I said that. There we go. Let's see, just a little bit more. I always go overboard. Always overboard with the colors. Okay, let's see. Now, see what we can do. Oop, they're coming out already. Supposed to just lift up and down a little bit. See if we can get some rings. Now, let's try some more color. It looks good. I think we need a little bit more color going in. This is one time I think I need more paint instead of less. About that. Okay, now let's try it again. Go. And wiped off a little bit. Pretty colors. Some cells coming up. Let's give it a torch. Let it sit for a second. That's really pretty. Go put some gold around the outside. I have a little bit left for the flow extender so the paint can slide. Get my spreader real quick. There we go. Really pretty colors together. There we go. Now, let's see what we can do with it. Go ahead and tilt. Be careful, I don't want to, it's so pretty, I don't want to lose any of it. Back to the center. Hear my neighbor's dogs barking. For once, it's not my dogs. Turn around. Okay, let's go this way. Get this corner down here. Come back to the center again. Make sure we got all the sides. Let's see. There's a lot of orange right there. Let's see. Let's go this way again and see if we can downsize the orange. It's a little bit too much for me. I like orange, but not that much. See what we got. Oh, nice. Very nice. Those colors are spot on. Make sure we get everything wiped away underneath. We don't want our design pulled down. I knew I forgot something. I forgot a rag. Wipe my hands. Let's see if I can do this paper towel enough. Gonna have to get my rag. Just 1 minute. There we go. Okay, hands wiped off. Gosh, those are really pretty colors together. Okay, these are all acrylic colors. All acrylic paints. There we go. All right, I think that's about it. Looks pretty good to me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would appreciate a thumbs up. That helps with my placement with YouTube. And subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. I'm getting closer to my 100 mark already. It's been a long year, but maybe I'll get there yet. I sure appreciate all my subscribers. Here's a close-up. This is so pretty. It did so nice. Getting some nice cells coming up. I think this is beautiful. I really love this one. I thank you all for watching so much, and we'll have a great giveaway when I reach my 100, because it's been a long time coming. Everybody, stay well, keep safe. Thanks for watching, and as always, please have a great day.